everyone, welcome to Busy Bee Gyan Kosh. As Raksha Bandhan is approaching, so here I present a short essay cum speech on Raksha Bandhan. This you can use it when you need to write a short essay or if you need to deliver a speech on Raksha Bandhan. So let's get started. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu festival. It is celebrated in India since ages. It is celebrated on the auspicious day of Purnima, the full moon day in the month of Shravan. It shows the beautiful bond of love shared between brothers and sisters. The meaning of Raksha is to protect, and Bandhan is bondage of love. On this day, sister applies tilak on brother's forehead, then ties a rakhi on his wrist, and pray to God for his good health and harmonious life. In return, brother bless their sisters and pledge to protect them from all odds and see towards their well-being throughout their lives. Exchange of sweets and gifts are also important custom of Raksha Bandhan. Brothers shower their sisters with gifts in the form of chocolates, dresses, and money. Sisters also prepare delicious food for their brothers. Entire family celebrates and feasts together. All family members, especially women, wear traditional clothes. The bond that siblings share is a distinctive one. They fight with each other over small things and also love each other beyond boundaries. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm and fervor in almost every Hindu household. On Raksha Bandhan, women and girls tie Rakhi to Prime Minister, President, soldiers, and social workers, voluntarily assuming as their brothers. This festival is beyond blood relations and it should be promoted for the better community, a community that respects women. Happy Raksha Bandhan to all. Thank you. If you find this video helpful for you, please click on thumbs up. Do visit our channel and be a part of Busy Bee Gyan Kosh family. We upload videos that is helpful for kids, mothers and teachers also. Thank you for watching.